comfortable right now.
This is what I get to look at this morning.
That's beautiful, right?
Look.
Wow. That sunrise. Holy cow, right? You're right. Look at the water.
Yep.
Oh my God. Oh my God, it looks so wonderful.
Oh, snuggle dad, snuggle dad. I give her morning kisses. Good morning kisses.
Where's that face been, Doug?
You're so snuggle, wild Bob's making me coffee.
Yep. You can enjoy this beautiful morning.
It's beautiful.
You should walk down there. It's beautiful.
Taking a little walk with Lily this morning. Hopefully I'm not getting in any poison ivy or anything. That would be sucky. Very sucky.
Seriously glad we came this way. Got it. Well, we needed to take a break, so we stopped at the Barking Lot Dog Park in Broadhead, Wisconsin.
Yep, Broadhead, Wisconsin.
Met a really nice lady there.
She was? Very nice.
Yeah.
Bob up there. Taking a little break at a truck stop, rest area. Really taking a little break. Last stop
In Wisconsin.
in Wisconsin.
It's a weird place.
Yeah.
Not really.
Yes and no. Depends. Certain parts.
Some people think they're fancy.
Huh?
Some people definitely think they're fancy here.
Definitely. Really likes fruit loops.
Mississippi River.
was fun.
That's an exit.
I'll figure it out. Almost to my dad's. Well, we made it to my dad's house.
It's a long drive.
Whew, it was a long drive, but we're here.
So like 30 years ago when we did it, it took us 22 hours or so.
Yeah, real quick.
Yeah, straight. Go straight. This time it took us 2 weeks.
2 weeks to get here. We're excited though. Yep, right, Lily? It's so fun. Maybe it's your shoe that stinks too. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to grab that, baby.
You could go head first.
No. No.
Oh, seriously.
It's, I tell you, there's something sour down in here. It's sour. It might be your blanket, your pillow, your head sweat.
These are the same socks I had in Michigan.
Oh. Dang, take them off. Take them off. You need a shower.